My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are associated with the website Ysearchingfo.xyz. So this is a malicious and deceptive website which attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers, especially those that are based on the Chromium open source project. Ysearchingfo.xyz tries to mislead people and to make them click on Allow button, supposedly to help them continue browsing. However, after the Allow button is clicked by mistake, the browser is hijacked. People get first of all redirected to some other malicious websites. Because of that, their browser may be infected with a lot of pop-ups that will keep attacking the screen periodically. These ads will be displayed in the form of push notifications. So, if you have clicked on Allow button by mistake, fix your browser by going to the menu Settings, then select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Now research the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this Ysearchingfo, make sure you remove it from the list. I would also recommend that you thoroughly examine the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.